Hey everybody, it's Alex with Alex's Addictions and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up my Ipsy bag from the month of June. I'm very excited about this. I love Ipsy so much. For those who don't know, it's a $10 a month subscription bag and you get I think 5 like sample size products in it. So they are small sample size products, but they usually are pretty makeup heavy, which is why I like them so much. So let's just get into it. So another thing about Ipsy is that you have a profile that you can set. You can set whether or not you like more skincare heavy stuff or if you like more makeup heavy stuff, if you're somebody that's adventurous with makeup or if you like more natural, neutral stuff. So you can kind of adjust what they give you, which is what I really like about Ipsy too. I'm not totally sure how great the profiles really reflect what you get. You can look at Alexandria Ryan's YouTube page. She's awesome. I like her a lot. But she does an Ipsy versus Ipsy versus Ipsy where she has 3 different profiles set up, and she kind of compares what she gets in all of them. And they're not always perfect with the profile, but at least you can do that. Like at least there's some kind of adjustment there. So let's just get into it. So here's what we got. Oh, wow, okay. So first thing I'm noticing is the bag's super cute. It's red and kind of like maroon with some interesting little details, and then maroon on the back. It's pretty empty feeling, but that's okay. We'll see what's in there. And then there was this brush just kind of floating around on the inside of the bag, which I know for a fact that this is part of the Tetris line. I can't remember what company did the Tetris collab, but yeah, you can kind of see, hopefully you guys can see up in there the little like Tetris pieces, the little design around the brush, and then it's like this really small kind of blender brush. I use these all the time to do my makeup, so I'm very excited about this. And then also outside of the bag was this face mask, Sweet Honey Bear Face Mask, smoothing and nourishing for all skin types. And then on the back it says, "Look at me Aqua Moisture Raccoon Face Mask." Oh, are there 2 in here? Oh, cute. Okay, so we've got the, Aqua Moisture Raccoon Face Mask and the Sweet Honey Bear Face Mask. I wonder if these have like the pictures of the actual like animals on there. Those look creepy. They're so creepy looking. But I'm definitely down to try them out. So, cute. Yeah. Okay, so now let's get into our actual bag here. Oh, this is definitely Tetris-y. Okay, so that's like the little design at the bottom. It's kind of like the block shaped. And then the bag says Ipsy Tetris. That's right. It was Ipsy that did the collab with Tetris. I feel like I should have known that. But the little zipper right here is a Tetris piece too. Let's see if you can see that. How cute is that? Aw, I really like that. Okay, so let's get into it. So they give you this card here that tells you, it usually doesn't have any actual product info in it because again, you can set your profile so different people get different things. So they don't tell you what's gonna be in the bag. So it says welcome to the block party on it, like Tetris blocks, you know, but that's really cute. It's all very bright and vibrant. So now let's get into our actual bag. So in here we've got, first thing I'm seeing is a liquid eyeliner from Jante Blue. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. It says ultra lasting formula, professional art makeup, liquid eyeliner, 24 hour. Here's that packaging. I mean, it's just a black black eyeliner pen with some like gold writing on it. Let's open it up and see what kind it is gonna be. Okay, so it looks like it's just gonna be like a felt tip. We'll just swatch it right here down my arm. Oh wow, that's super pigmented though. That's very black. So, I mean, we get black eyeliners in subscription bags all the time, but either way, they're good to have. They dry out kind of quickly, so I'm like excited to get this. Next up we have in here a small Give Me Brow by Benefit. It comes in this cute little box. It's in the color Warm Golden Blonde. So I did say on my profile for Ipsy that I'm blonde. I don't know if you are more like a brunette or somebody with dark black hair, like what color you would get, but I got the blonde. And I also got the warm golden blonde, which I tend to go for more taupe brows, but I have been experimenting with a little bit warmer just now that it's summer. I like a more gray tone taupe brow during the winter, but I use Gimme Brow like every day. I love Gimme Brow. So this is the mini one. It's got this itty bitty tiny spoolie, and let's see if I can get like any color payoff. Oh, okay, so that's like a definitely more brown than what I go for normally, but either way, I'm excited to try it. I hope you guys can see. I've got my window open right here, and it makes it very sunlitty. And then the last thing in our bag is Sorry Not Sorry moisturizing lipstick from Real Her, Realher, in the color Rose Pink. It also says on here that it's paraben free, certified cruelty free, vegan, infused with jojoba seed oil, infused with, I don't know how to pronounce that, Limnanthes alba seed oil. That is so wrong. And also infused with hyaluronic acid. So let's try to open this up and see if I can get a good swatch out of this. Wow, that is so tiny. Look at that. Look how cute that is. It's so little. And it's like this black and white tube, and then just kind of a good solid like pinky nude lip color. Let's get a good swatch here for y'all. Oh wow, okay, well, if you reel it all the way up, it says Real Her. Hopefully y'all can see that. I don't know if you can see the imprint on there, but it says Real Her on the tube, or on the bullet. But we know not to swatch when it's all the way up, because that's how you break your lipsticks. So let's get a swatch. Oh wow, that is really creamy, very, very pigmented. I feel like this is gonna be a good like summer shade for me. It's pretty pink, but it looks pretty. Okay, so now that we're up close and personal, I'm gonna put this on. I did just try to wipe off what little lip gloss I had. It was a little bit of a lip oil from Tarte. Wow, that is so pigmented. Like, that's one little swipe. What do you guys think? I think it's a really, really pretty color. And I really like this formula. It's very creamy. This makes me want to try out more from this brand. I've never even heard of them. Real Her. If you guys have ever tried Real Her makeup, let me know, because I'm excited for this. Like, this is really nice. Okay guys, so just to recap, we got some good things in our Ipsy bag. I don't know how I feel really about it though. Part of me really likes it, part of me thinks that they could have done a little bit more. But we got the two face masks, the bear and the raccoon. So I think that these are really cute. We got the Tetris brush, which I love these like little blender brushes. So I'm excited about it. And it feels pretty soft. Maybe not like the best quality in the world, but it feels decent. We got the black eyeliner, the pink lipstick, and the Gimme Brow in Warm Blonde. So, pretty good. I like that it's very makeup heavy. I mean, we got 3 makeup products and a makeup brush, and then 2 sheet masks. And then, of course, we got our little makeup bag here. Not my favorite color scheme, so I'll probably give this one away, but I think this was a good bag. Maybe not my favorite Ipsy we've ever gotten, but I think it was pretty good. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys get Ipsy. If you do, what came in your bag this month? What was your favorite thing that I got? What was the favorite thing that you got? Are there any other subscription bags that I should be looking at? I also get BoxyCharm and Sephora Play, but I don't really like Sephora Play. But anyway, guys, today's Father's Day, so at least today I'm filming this. This video won't go up on Father's Day today, but filming it today on Father's Day, so I have my little babies here behind me. We've got, this is Macklin, he's a squirrel, and there's Gary, our giraffe. My boyfriend gave me those, so you know, he's the dad today. But I hope you guys are enjoying your day. So happy Father's Day out there to all you dads, all the people that are filling the fatherly role, all the people that are parents of fur babies or reptilian babies or just animal babies in general. And, you know, happy Father's Day to all the moms and step parents and aunts and uncles and grandparents that are all filling those fatherly roles. And also, if you have lost your father, my thoughts are with you today. And yeah. All right, guys. Well, I hope y'all are having a great day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.